Forever India, I love forever life in India. Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. I didn't know the video was over. I was so excited with the video that I really got involved. So, sorry, guys. What to do with forever, you always have to be excited. And this is mind blowing, fantastic. First, I'd like to thank Rajiv. Rajiv is one of our top leaders with Forever. He's an international trainer also. And he's the one who handles all we get a lot of people drawing in the middle. I actually don't blame them because those school में उन लोगों को painting का जो drawing classes I think they bunk so they get chance here to paint. But Rajiv is the right guy who's taking care of us. We have Jyoti, we have Santosh and Kanojia, all excellent team, and we are here to serve you all and give you all the best service possible. But today I'm not going to talk much because we have a fantastic speaker. Her name is Nasiba, and she's sorry. I think some of your Chanewalas are there. Rajiv has a lot of people who love him a lot, so they keep on saying hi to him anyway. So we have this Nasima who's outstanding. I still remember when I used to go to Chennai for seminars, and she used to be sitting there, and she used to take all the notes. And one of the most fantastic persons. So I will not waste time. Nasima, all yours. It's all yours. You're fantastic. I know I've heard you.
Thank you.
Rajiv, if you can pin a video. Thanks. Thank you.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, Nasima, all yours.
Thank you so much. Thanks to all the participants here. Before I start, I would definitely like to start by thanking my biggest mentors in Forever, which is Simon sir. For me personally, this journey started very seriously only after I met Simon sir in Chennai, because he showed me the complete picture of what Forever can do to somebody. So thank you so much, Simon sir. And he's always been super supportive. Like, to be honestly, telling you, the first call that I received when I became a manager was from Simon sir. I don't know how the message reached him so fast. He quickly called me, and then, he wished me more success. So I'm always grateful to you for all the motivation. And thanks to all the participants here for joining us today. So this is just, a bit of my story, how I started and what Forever has done to me. And I will also be telling you about what Forever can do to all of us if we take the opportunity seriously. So that will be my agenda for the day. And yeah. So a little bit about me before I even start the session. I'm Nasima. I'm from Chennai. And right now I'm a senior manager. How this journey started is very interesting. I was actually into IT. So I was an IT professional, not very motivated by the job I was doing. It was a normal IT profession, very lucrative career, lots of money and all that, but that didn't drive me. That was not my passion. And after about 4 or 5 years, when I was in a lead role, I kind of said, okay, I'm going to quit this. And I was very, very eager to start my own business. And that's when I started my own export business. I was into exports of agri produce from India to, about 6, 7 countries. I was into exports. I was working very, very hard. I used to, give it my all. But then the business collapsed because of so many other reasons. Like, you don't always have the control of everything around you. There are, cutthroat competition around, and then there are people who don't pay you on time. So for several reasons, the business finally collapsed, and I was very, very depressed. I was very upset because for no mistake of mine, the business collapsed. So I was just, waiting for the right opportunity, what I was, able to do and all that. And that's when Forever happened. I'm very, very thankful. So Forever came to my life through my father. So he was introduced to Forever by a couple of his friends. And then my dad told me, this seems like a very good opportunity, especially for you. Why don't you take it? So I was like very skeptical in the beginning. I couldn't believe what they were telling me. Like, they said amazing company, wonderful products, and, extraordinary income. For me, being a skeptic, it was too hard to believe. But then I did my own research on the products, on the company, and then I was fascinated by everything that the company is able to give its distributors. And then I took it full time. So that's a little bit about me. So I've got a small, presentation for you guys. I think I will go into the share screen mode so that you can, all of you can follow what I say. So I hope I'm already the co-host, and I'm just planning to share the screen. Am I audible? Is my
Yeah,
audio
yeah,
clear?
we can hear you. Sound is perfect, and you're already the co-host.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So let us start. Yep. So why Forever is so amazing to anybody who takes up the business opportunity seriously is because Forever is the only company that I know of that gives you like limitless opportunities. Like sky is the limit. You can achieve all your dreams under this one umbrella called Forever. And we are very thankful to the management for giving us this powerful opportunity. And a very fascinating fact again is even an ordinary person can live an extraordinary life with this opportunity. You don't have to be very qualified or past experience. None of that is actually required. So, let's see how this opportunity can change everybody's life. So this is just a glimpse about me, how I started it passionately. I was overwhelmed with the results that the products were giving us. So I used to conduct a lot of seminars and, create some awareness. And this is how I actually built my team. And these are some of my wonderful teammates there. I have managers and supervisors and, lots of achievers in my team. And this is one of, my recognitions in our national newsletter. Somebody started the drawing, I guess. Anyway, so this is the recognition that I got after being recognized as a senior manager. So for me, this line that whatever I've quoted, anybody wants to tell me something?
Yeah, Nasima, you have the option to stop annotation, so you could do that. There's an option to stop annotation. So disable participants annotation.
Okay.
And you can also clear away this, yeah.
Okay. I'm not very familiar with this, so I just don't want to mess it up in the middle. So I'll just continue. So yeah, for me, those those couple of lines there are very important to me because today a lot of people have missed their work-life balance, and Forever came to me as a savior. It helped me balance the work and the life. Like I have enough time to spend with my family, I have enough time for myself and everybody around me, and still I'm able to be successful here. So that's something very valuable to me. And that is with Nawaz ma'am, who's our executive vice president, and that's my daughter there. So this is me at one of our presentations at Success Day in Guntur, where we were addressing a large gathering, and I was trying to explain how I succeeded in my success story. And this is one of my memorable moments with Mr. Harish Singla, our country head, when I achieved the car plan incentive. And this is at the Delhi Success Summit, where about 7,000, 8,000 people had gathered. And I was very humbled to be recognized on that giant stage. Like I had been recognized twice there. One was for the Millionaire Club member, that's me in the middle. And the other one was for the Eagle Managers qualification. So I achieved the Eagle Manager last year. So I was very honored to be there on that stage. And this is the kind of lifestyle Forever can give you. We had an amazing retreat in Pattaya. We stayed at the Royal Grand Cliff Hotel. It's just out of the world. It's just out of the world, and proper 5-star treatment. And you just enjoy life with this business. You get to actually enjoy life. That's my family. A couple of pictures taken there, and these are some of the distributors I happen to meet. And the first person there is from Japan. She's Meena, and she was very excited to meet somebody from India, and she was actually kind of trying to interview me. And she gathered a lot of points. I gathered a lot of points from her on how she does her business. And these are a couple of people from Iran and Africa and Iraq. So this was fascinating. Like I got to meet like 160 country people, like people from around the world under one roof. And I was able to give that experience to my little daughter. For her, it was like a world trip, you know, it was amazing. And this is where Forever can actually take us if we work for it. And this is one of my most precious moments again. This is with Aiden sir, who's again our EVP, Nawaz Gaswala ma'am, and these two people at the bottom, they are top achievers. I never dreamt I'll be rubbing shoulders with these kind of people. So this is Natalie, and she is UK's #1 for the last 3 consecutive years, and she's a terrific person. I've been motivated by her big time. And this person on the right side with a white top, she is Catherine Byrie. She is, you know, double diamond if I'm right, and she achieved diamond within less than 18 or 19 months. Imagine what that is. So these are all, you know, people that you get to meet and interact once you become a achiever or a qualifier. So I encourage all of you guys, whoever is watching this, please go achieve the Eagle Manager qualification and all that you want to achieve. So now let me just give you a glimpse of why somebody should take Forever very seriously, or why I took Forever seriously. So personally for me, Forever gave me a lot of freedom. Today, just think about it. People who are stuck to their own jobs or traditional businesses, there's hardly any freedom that they get to enjoy, right? Somebody else is deciding, typically the boss or someone else is deciding how many hours they work, for what they work on, and with whom they work, you know, when they work, when they get up, when they go to sleep. Everything is actually dictated by somebody else. For me, that was, you know, not good. Here I enjoy total freedom. And freedom is more important than money, right? For me, freedom was more important than money. I'm sure for most of you it will be. And here you get to, you know, live life king size or queen size. You determine what you want, you determine how you want to achieve it. There's no boss here to tell you what you have to do, right? You be your own boss. And this is absolute freedom. And you know, so that this is what we've got to be telling our prospects as well. When you meet someone, you can actually show them how they can be free of all their other problems. So this is a wonderful thing. And another important thing is peace of mind. See, Forever business is not just about money. I always say that. It's about so many other beautiful things. And, you know, there's no peace of mind clearly in so many jobs or other businesses today. In fact, I have a lot of clients who have so much of health complaints because of their traditional business. They could be successful. I'm not denying the fact that they're not successful. They could be successful in terms of, you know, monetary gains. But other than that, what is there? You know, they're always stressed out. They're super stressed. And just imagine this: suppose you're in a job or, you know, doing some hectic work, and then suddenly, you know, you get a call from your boss, and then, you know, they say you're not able to meet the complete your work within that deadline. So what happens? Immediately your stress levels are increased, your stress hormone cortisol is, you know, released, and then you are panicking. And what happens? You are like, you know, you end up skipping your meals, you end up having sleepless nights. So everything has an impact on you, right? And you just gauge whether that is worth it. You know, taking so much of stress. Forever is a stress-free business. I love that fact about Forever. Like, you decide everything. That's why the company calls you as a Forever business owner. You get to be the owner, and you decide everything around the business. So that is a lot of peace of mind as distributors. And another important factor is, especially when I compare it with my business that I was into, here you have a lot of responsibility, but again, you choose your priorities. Nobody dictates you. For me in that business, it was like hectic. My shipments used to reach somewhere in the midnight to another country. I have to be awake all night. So many things. Here it's absolutely a stress-free business. So that is a wonderful fact. And think about this as well: the company is managing everything for us. Logistics, or, you know, the accounts, the staff management, the inventory, everything is taken care of by the company. So that's a beautiful factor why you know, anybody should consider this opportunity seriously. And another very important thing is, what are others achieving by, you know, just running from morning to night for their traditional businesses? People lose their health. You've seen tons of people. I'm sure I've seen tons of people. They lose their health. Now priorities matter, right? So one of my favorite quotes here is from Dalai Lama. I'm sure most of you know him. He's a spiritual guru. And this person says it very beautifully. So when somebody interviews him, they ask him, okay, what according to you, like, is very surprising? Whatever human beings do, there are plenty of things that they do. What surprises you the most? So this person says, out of everything, I'm like, quite surprised that human beings kind of run all life to get, gather some money, earn some money. And in this process, they lose their health. And by the end of everything, they lose their health and they spend all the money that they've earned to recoup that health. That, according to me, is like, very, very crazy. So that is what is most of the people are doing exactly that. What is the point of having a huge, Mercedes Benz or whatever? I mean, like a fancy car without good health. What is the point of a 5-bedroom, 6-bedroom bungalow without good health? So it doesn't matter at all. So here, distributors, I've not seen one sick FBO. I'm not sure if any one of you have seen. As distributors, as somebody who's, a part of the company, we all enjoy good health. Once we start using the products, we enjoy good health, and that's what we spread. So this is an opportunity for wellness and wealth. And another very important, crucial thing is no time. Like, you just talk to the people around you. You would have, as distributors, you would have already experienced this. When you call a prospect, when you, think of somebody, you think that they are talented, you think that they can do this business, and you actually plan for a meeting with them. The first thing they say is, no, I'm busy, I don't have time, right? That's because they're so stuck to their job, they're so stuck to their traditional businesses. Now, if someone doesn't have time, then they clearly don't have a life, isn't it? If they don't have a couple of hours for themselves to do what they want to do, then what is the point? So a time factor is very, very, very important. Today, plenty of people are going too fast in the wrong direction. I hope you'll agree with me. So which is more important, speed or direction? I think direction is more important. So they are, stuck to their own agenda, and when a real opportunity like Forever strikes, they're not in a position to actually respond. So, time is very, very crucial. And look at this, there's no work-life balance. You see around, you see the busy moms, you see the dads who are working, you see everybody around. So they are so glued to their career, the business, the performance, the responsibilities. But on the other side, their health or the family, the relationships, friendships, happiness, most of them, they don't have time to pursue their hobby. They don't have time for themselves. There's no me time. So everything is lost. So when that is lost, I think everything is lost. So this is a very important thing. A lot of people say, I'm very successful, or, they think that they're very rich. I agree. Okay, money is very important. I'm not denying the fact. But only money, how good is it? Like, somebody is called rich if they have money, or only money. Somebody is called wealthy if they have money and time and freedom. Okay, so Forever is all about creating wealth. I mean, you can become wealthy with Forever. It's not just about the money. So please keep that in mind. Every time, you are moving towards your goals and, your dreams, understand that you're accumulating wealth. You're accumulating a great lifestyle here. It's not just the money. So, that's why you should give it your 100%. And so here, everybody has some dream. I'm sure you all have some dream or the other. So you could be dreaming about so many things. Your dreams and desires could be something like, great education, maybe for yourself, for your, kids, whatever it is. Education is not cheap these days, right? A good education costs a fortune. So you could be dreaming about a beautiful car. You could be dreaming about so many things, a wonderful house, vacations, and then the wonderful marriages for your kids or siblings or whatever. You have to plan all this in life, right? International travel, and you could be dreaming about great lifestyle with your family and total financial freedom, right? Financial freedom is one thing that most of them confuse it with just money. If you have a lot of money, it's not financial freedom. Only if you have passive income streams coming to you without you having to move your little finger, still your income keeps coming to you, that is financial freedom. So Forever is a beautiful platform which is created around all these things. So you can achieve all your dreams and yet be financially free. So we have to take our choice, like, we have to decide what's best for us, because our life is all about the choices that we're going to make. Now, this is a typical scenario. You just look at this. Most of us have big dreams. Yeah, we have all big dreams in our head. but our dream circles are so huge, but then the income circle becomes so tiny, right? You know, people like that. So we are not in a position to increase our dream circle, I mean income circle, to the size of your dream circle. And most cases what happens, people shrink their dreams to the size of their income. Here is an amazing opportunity from Forever, where you can expand your income to the size of your dreams. End of the day, it is your life. You have to make the right choices and achieve all your dreams, right? We have one life and we have to live it to the fullest. So what are the options that we have? Okay, one option for, if a prospect or somebody says, okay, I'm into a job that pays me well, then you will have to kind of educate them. You have to talk to them about what are the disadvantages of just being in a job. A job is you're making your boss rich with all your hard work and effort. Somebody else is earning. And what is a small business about? Small business is like, initially it is like anybody who has that entrepreneur nerve, they jump into a startup, but then it's not easy to run the show. Small businesses are collapsing. We see so many people failing around. So entrepreneur is risky if you don't have the support system. So small business is not a great idea. And somebody could be saying, okay, I'm self-employed, I'm comfortable with what I'm doing, but then again, there's no freedom there. As we already discussed, we need so many factors to create a happy life. So self-employment again is active income source, it's not passive income. And what about big business? Now, just look around, especially after this corona effect, the pandemic effect. Just look around, what happened to all those giant businesses, big multiplexes, and huge malls, and the entertainment industry. So many industries just disappeared, I mean just collapsed. We always used to say that Forever is a recession proof industry. Come what may, you can flourish here, because it revolves around the wellness industry. So this is a beautiful reason why you must consider your Forever business seriously. So big businesses, again, it needs a lot of investment. Not everybody can jump into a big business. Huge investments are there. And along with any businesses, big or small, there is a huge risk factor involved, right? So financial freedom is just ahead. I'm sure most of you are already distributors here. So financial freedom is just so doable, achievable in Forever. And this is why you have to educate your prospects. You have to, talk to them about how they can achieve it. Now, for me, I was very allergic to this term called network, because I have seen very average companies which kind of give you average products with stall claims. So I was very disappointed with that segment of network marketing or direct sales. But it took me a while to actually understand what real network marketing can do if you find the right company. And I was so fortunate to find Forever in the first shot. I've never heard another plan from any other company. And I was lucky enough to find Forever in the first go. And look at this guy. They are all billionaires. I'm not showing you somebody who's just an average success. These are billionaires who are telling you the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else is looking for jobs. That's Robert Kiyosaki. So you know him, right? He's a billionaire, multi-billionaire, and he's the author of Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So this person is telling you very clearly that network is the future. And this person, again, Bill Gates, he's not a small person here. We are showing you one of the world's richest person. And he says if he was given a chance to start things all over again, he would choose network marketing, right? So let's understand from these billionaires that networking is not bad. Networking can never be bad. Like nobody can fail in this networking if you're identifying the right company. So here the catch is you should find the right company. If you're put in the wrong platform, then however hard we work, success is not guaranteed. And this is one of my favorite slides, because Simon sir, like even yesterday when he was inviting me to do this, I was telling him every single presentation I do, I show him, because for me he was a huge motivation. As he was telling you, the initial days when I used to come to attend his meetings, it was like overwhelming. I was like, what is this person trying to say? He says he used to say that, I'm sure you would have listened to him saying metric appeared but failed, or something that he'll say, like trying to say that he did not clear his metric, but he's making so much money. for me, it was like amazing. Couldn't believe it at all. So understand the power of this. He's one of the top achievers in India, and this is an old check. I mean, like he's got so many chairman's bonus checks. He's traveled the world, and if somebody who has not got his regular education from a school or a college is able to achieve so much, then imagine what this opportunity is about. So for me, that was like wonderful to know. And this person has inspired thousands and thousands of lives around the world, and I'm so thankful for being able to do this business under his leadership and guidance. And all my seniors, I would like to thank them now. And this is a business where even the physically challenged, or the less able, even they are able to do this business successfully. This is one of my favorite successful person. He is Ali Fima from, I think, France. So this person is successful here, and he is a born deaf and dumb person. Imagine if such kind of people can achieve. Why can't we achieve? Why can't all the others achieve? And this person inspired me beyond what words could say. Ms. Fazila Parekh. I happened to meet her at one of the managers retreat that happened here in Chennai, and her story was just too good to believe. But I had to believe when I meet her. When I met her in person. And you all know her story, right? So from a very chronic lupus patient to a chairman's bonus qualifier, her journey is amazing. So I'll just give you a glimpse of what anybody should look for when we are getting into a business seriously. So this was taught to me by Simon sir only. I always use this ABC rule. So first that somebody needs to look at is the company's background. Imagine today somebody is telling, okay, there's so much money, there are so many opportunities. People are like, now with so many online trainings happening, webinars happening, everybody is inviting you to some online presentation or the other, right? So, and people get confused, they don't know which side to go. And everybody now needs an additional income source more than ever. So everybody is open to joining something new, but they are totally confused. And anybody who's interested in making a clear-cut career choice, you can always use this rule, which is first, the A is called the company's background. So when you are determining which company to take, you have to check the company's background. So what is, Forever about? How good is the company? Will they be stable? How many years have they been in the business? These kind of factors. The second thing that you must be going through is the product. Tomorrow, if they are going to give you amazing money, and they promise you amazing money, and they say the company is there for so many years, but the products are very mediocre, then there's no point, because what drives your business is product. Yes, end of the day, it's sales. So that's not worth it again. And three, A, B, or C is proven plan. So you should also look at what kind of income plan it is, how ethically it is built, what are the standards. So all these things also come into play. So let's quickly see what Forever is about. I'm not going in detail. I'm just going to give you a small glimpse. We all know this. Here is a company which is vertically integrated. Now, by vertically integration, what they mean, they own their lands. They own the acres and thousands of acres of aloe plantations is their own. And they own their R&D, the research and development. They have their huge team. The factories are their own factories. The office spaces around the world, not just in India. Our company, I believe today, is operating in 170 countries. Imagine what it takes to be operational in so many places. And we have our own offices, we have our own transport systems, and this is one company that I know of which is totally cash rich and debt free. Can you think of any other company which is 100% cash rich and debt free? Imagine, any company, you look at them, they have their own, loans, they have shareholders, they have so many, debts to handle. But here is a company which is completely cash rich and debt free. So that's a huge promise that the company is giving you. They're going to be here forever. The company was named Forever for a reason, right? So this is a company which anybody can vouch for. And so you start understanding about the company in detail, and then see how you can grow with this company. And second comes the products, as we already shared. What is more important? The products. Okay, so we have a huge range here. We have amazing wellness products today. everybody is focusing on their immunity. People are worried to even step out of their houses. Why are everybody locked inside their houses? It's only because they are afraid that their immunity is low, and that corona could attack them or whatever. So now here is a company which gives you wellness products, not just now. It has been doing this for the last 42 years. So they have the world's best products. You know that. If you've used the products, I'm sure you will agree. And these are products, yes, I see some people raising hands there. Yes. So these are products where people can trust, and these are result oriented products. We don't have to lie, we don't have to cheat. You get the results. And look at the range. We have aloe vera drinks, we have nutrition supplements, we have honeycomb products, we have weight management, we have skincare, and the range is so wide and beautiful. Now you can pick what one segment that you want, or you can concentrate on everything depending on what your likes and dislikes are. So this is again wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Here my only tip would be, use the product before you recommend. Be a product of the product, use all the products and then recommend, because that way you get to talk from your heart, right? Share your real story. And now the third most important thing we come to here is the income plan. Now, what kind of income that this company is giving you? You see that check, which is received by Rolf Kip and his wife there. Can we just calculate that? You would have seen this. I'm sure you would have seen this already. Now, this is the kind of money that Forever is willing to give you. Look at the management, how generous Rex is, how generous the management is to kind of give you this kind of income. And this is open for anybody, immaterial of when we joined, what is our experience, what is our background. No, anybody can overtake anybody. And this is a very fair opportunity. And we have so many achievers. We've seen them. We've seen so many chairman's bonus qualifiers here. And there's level 1, level 2, level 3. And apart from that, how many incentives does the company give you? We have 9, 10 different income sources, right? You have your royalty income, you have your chairman's bonus, you have your Eagle Managers Retreat, you have your domestic travel, so many things, volume bonus, retail. So each and every stream of income is important. So this is all about creating a lot of passive income streams. I'm very thankful because when I started Forever 6-7 years back, I did not imagine that it will become such a big business for me. I did not. But today it is like, every time on 15th, I try to figure out, what is the income and, from which countries I'm receiving it. It is so impressive. From different kinds of people. Most of them I don't even know now. It says somewhere in Singapore, somebody bought and we get benefited. So it is very important to create that passive income stream. Now, one mistake that some of the newcomers could, get into is they think it's easy. Networking is not easy. In fact, no good business is easy to do. This is simple, but you will have to work your way out. It's not going to be easy. Nobody's going to give us success on a ready-made platform. But if you're consistent, if you're willing to put in that effort, if you're willing to learn new things from your seniors, from all the presentations, from all the trainings, and if you're willing to give your 100%, then nobody can stop you from achieving what you want. That is what I've seen in this company, and I have so many achievers in my team. So this is the only secret. Just believe in the company and give your 100%. So this is very important. So whichever level you are in, always have a goal. Just try to go to the next level, and don't get stuck to one position for too long. So always try to keep moving up the ladder, because Forever can make you financially free, totally financially free. And here is a very interesting a level in this company called Diamond Manager. You all know that, right? So you can retire, you can completely retire, and that is like creating 25 managers under you. It can be from anywhere, but 25 direct managers under you. So Diamond is a huge level. So that is like, you don't have to do anything. It's like totally passive. So aim for that, and give it your all. So here is an opportunity where you can live your dream, whatever your dreams are. This one platform is so generous, so kind. It is so ethical. It's not like any other business or any other job. In other things, you may have some of your values, you may have some of your principles, but you will have to be bending down for somebody else's sake. You don't have to do that here. Here it's like completely your call, and you can achieve all your dreams with very supportive staff, with very supportive management and your leaders. So give your 100% and have clear-cut goals and achieve all your dreams. That is all that I wanted to say today. So this is a small presentation that I prepared for you all. So I think I'm going to stop it here. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much to everybody for this opportunity. Thanks to Simon sir. Thanks to Rajiv sir, who's co-hosting this. Thanks to everybody.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful presentation. It was a pleasure listening to you. Thank you so much for sharing.
Outstanding, very nice. I mean, in fact, I told Rajiv, I said, you must hear her speak. She's superb. And I'm sure you're going to be one of the top diamonds of not just Chennai.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Fantastic presentation.
Thank you so much.
I love the way you explained everything. It was fantastic. And some more fantastic news is we only do one sale, but we get tremendous benefit. Like we just sell a product or we market a product, but with that we get the car plan, house plan, and all those CCs, we can reuse it in all the plans. So it's like, ek six mara, lekin itne benefits mile. So I think it is fantastic and mind-blowing, and we really appreciate it. And we had nearly 140, 150 people. Normally when we do an English seminar, there are less people. And when we do a Hindi seminar, there's more. But we are even now going to work on religion, local languages. So maybe we can have another one in different languages. So thanks a lot. Really bless you and all the best. Thanks a lot, Kind. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All the best to all of you. Thanks.
Thank you.